Hello awesome people, welcome back in a new video. In this video I am going to show you how to enable drag and drop form builder in Classima listing website which is built with Classima theme. Before moving on the main tutorial, let's check the old or classic listing form. So from the right side click on post your ad. It shows the old or classic listing form which is almost static form and you can edit it from the admin dashboard, but you can just hide and show some field. That means you can manage some field from the settings. Okay, let's check. So go to the admin dashboard and hover on Classima listings, click on settings, navigate to the moderation tab, scroll down and you can see it shows hide forms field. Like you can hide or show some field from here. If you check any field, then it will hide from the listing form. Okay, you can do it, but if you want to completely dynamic or editable listing form, then you have to use drag and drop form builder, which is a very new feature added in Classima theme. Okay, let's check. So again go to the admin dashboard and from the Classima listings you can see, if you hover over on or you can open it, then it shows home and form builder. Just click on form builder and navigate to the settings tab, form list, then settings and active form builder. Click on this toggle button and activate in, then update options. Again from the front end refresh this page. Yes, you can see the form has been changed and currently it shows the drag and drop form builder. Okay, if you want to check from the back end, again go to the admin dashboard and go to the form list on this tab and click on this tab, this form. Then you can see this form is completely editable and drag and drop. You can manage, you can edit, you can add any field or delete any field from here as well. I will make in details tutorial on it, so please subscribe my channel to get more videos on WordPress and Classima theme. I will make a video why you should use drag and drop form builder and where I will shows in details. So thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel to get more videos on Classima theme and Classima listing plugin.